In 2000, Microsoft was the most valuable company on Earth. Then they lost 13 years under one CEO. A $10,000 investment made in 2000 was worth just $6,700 in 2013. Then one man walked in and turned it into a $3.2 trillion empire, the greatest corporate reinvention in history. Let's go. 1975, Albuquerque, New Mexico. A 19-year-old Harvard dropout named Bill Gates and his childhood friend Paul Allen start Microsoft. Their vision? A computer on every desk and in every home. In 1975, that sentence sounded completely insane. There were barely any computers on Earth. 1980, IBM needs an operating system for its new personal computer. They come to Microsoft. Gates doesn't have one, so he buys QDOS from a Seattle company for $50,000. Licenses it to IBM as MS-DOS, but keeps the rights to license it to everyone else. He paid $50,000. The deal earned billions, the most profitable $50,000 ever spent. 1986, Microsoft goes public at $21 per share. Bill Gates, 30 years old, becomes the youngest self-made billionaire in history, worth $350 million on IPO day alone. That same stock would rise thousands of times over the following decades. 1995, Windows 95 launches. The Rolling Stones play Start Me Up worldwide. It's not a software launch, it's a cultural event. Microsoft then bundles Internet Explorer with Windows, effectively destroying Netscape overnight. The US government takes notice. The antitrust battle begins. 1999, the dot-com bubble at its absolute peak. Microsoft hits $620 billion, the most valuable company on Earth. Bill Gates, richest person on the planet. Look at the chart right now. Look at that line. That is the top. And now, watch what happens next. 2000. The US Department of Justice rules Microsoft is a monopoly, orders it to be broken into two companies. The dot-com bubble bursts simultaneously. Stock falls 60%. Gates steps down as CEO. Steve Ballmer takes over. The lost decade had begun. 2007. Steve Jobs unveils the iPhone. Ballmer goes on camera. There's no chance the iPhone is going to get any significant market share. No chance. Microsoft missed mobile entirely. For 13 years, the stock went nowhere. A $10,000 investment on Ballmer's first day was worth just $6,700 when he left. That laugh cost Microsoft a decade. February 4th, 2014. Satya Nadella becomes CEO. His first words to the company? Cloud first, mobile first. He kills the Windows obsession, moves everything to Azure, makes Office subscription-based, opens Microsoft to Linux, open source, competitors' platforms. Wall Street felt it within months. The transformation was immediate. 2019, Microsoft crosses $1 trillion, the third US company to do so. Azure, world's second largest cloud platform. Office 365, 180 million subscribers. LinkedIn, acquired for $26 billion in 2016, now printing money. The lost decade was over. The reinvention was complete. 2020, COVID. Microsoft Teams becomes the office of the world. From 32 million to 115 million daily users in 8 months. Azure powers the remote work infrastructure of the entire planet. Microsoft was no longer a software company. It was essential human infrastructure. 2023. Microsoft invests $10 billion in OpenAI. ChatGPT integrated into Bing, Office, Azure, Teams, GitHub. Every Microsoft product, AI-powered, overnight. GitHub Copilot crosses 1 million paid subscribers. The company that missed mobile was now leading AI. 2024. $3.2 trillion. Most valuable on Earth, $3.2 trillion. Under Ballmer, a $10,000 investment shrank. Under Nadella, that same $10,000 became over $100,000. Same company, different leader, completely different destiny. 2026, the AI rally cools. Microsoft pulls back from its all-time high, down to $2.9 trillion. Even restructures parts of Xbox along the way. But it's still the fourth most valuable company on Earth. Because even giants have pullbacks. The AI story isn't over. It's just breathing. Microsoft was ordered to be broken up by the government, lost 13 years under one CEO. Then one man changed everything. Satya Nadella once said, "Our industry doesn't respect tradition. It only respects innovation." From a garage in 1975 to a $2.9 trillion giant today. Subscribe to Empire Timelines. New journey every Tuesday and Thursday. Comment below. Apple, Amazon, or Nvidia next?